Today's video will talk about when the machine moves from its place, vibrates, and oscillates a lot. What is the reason behind it, and I will fix one of the reasons in this machine. If we see the machine drum right now, its movement is a lot right now, which is more than usual as it is working at a low speed. When it works at 1000 revolution per second, the rotation and the jerking of the drum will also be more, and when it makes this fault, let me show you up. Now the machine has completed its wash cycle, and the machine drum rotation has started to speed up, as you can see. And you can see here as well that its drum has begun to vibrate faster, and the machine drum has started to speed up more and drum is moving a lot more quickly, which is the problem in it. As the machine has gone to the spin mode, the drum's jerking rotation has also been increased. Let me show you its motor. It is also rotating faster than before, and you can hear the sound of the motor as well while spinning. But the vibration of its drum is more than usual. Often, this happens when the drum vibrates faster than usual. The drum hits the body of the machine, due to which the washing machine falls as well. Now let's repair it and tell you what is the fault in this washing machine. Now, we will show you a small comparison, through which you will have an idea that what could be the fault in this washing machine. If we see its drum now, when I move it a little, but the drum is moving more freely than usual. Now, I have another washing machine. Let me show you how does its drum moves. Let me show you its assembly. Now, I kept my hand on this machine drum assembly and applied force downward on it. I can feel that the drum is having resistance upward as this machine has no such problem. As I showed you the vibration of the drum, and now due to the vibration of the drum, the machine is having another problem as well, which is not that huge right now but can be in the future if the drum vibration problem is not treated soon. The drum rubber seal has started to tear, and this is just because of the excessive drum vibration. So, the drum vibration can also cause this problem. Now let me tell you the possible faults due to which the drum vibrates. The one reason could be if this pulley gets crooked and, due to some reason this pulley couldn't rotate and run freely. This could also be the reason for drum vibration. Now the other reason could be this spring. The one installed here and the other installed on the other side. And if one of these or both gets damaged, breaks, and most importantly, when the spring strength to hold the drum gets weak, technically, when the spring tension gets weak, the drum will vibrate more. Besides this, the block of weight is placed on the top of the drum made of cement. This block of weight might be covered inside plastic in some machines, but this is open and has color on it, and see here is another small piece of weight. If this gets loose or breaks somewhere, the machine can cause vibration problems. This machine has a weight block on the bottom as well. I will show you that as well. Other than that, the another problem of drum vibration could also be this. As you can see, this steel drum rotates inside, and the plastic drum is on the top of the machine. The plastic drum is stable, but when the drum inside gets a lot of play and when you put your hands inside it, you feel it moving upward and falling downwards means its bearing on the back is faulty, so we need to check them. Now, if the pulley's nut gets loose, the vibration problem can occur, so you have to do this to fix this problem. You should have a rod and hold the pulley with this rod from any side and tighten the nut. And see, the nut is already tight and it has no such fault. It means it is okay over here. Now, the next possible fault could be this. See, shock absorbers is installed here, which absorbs the machine vibration. But this machine has two of them installed in it, the one down here, and the other shock absorber is installed here on the top, and the problem is in them. Now let me show you what the problem is. These shock absorbers have bush inside them, and when I move it this way, it is moving freely more than usual. I think its metal has been eaten up, due to which they move downward quickly. It has a bush here as well, so if this bush also gets loose, or the bolt gets loose, the machine drum can vibrate. Now, for fixing the machine, we can change two parts to it. Both can be changed once at a time and separately as well. These are shock absorbers. We can try to change both of them, and other than this, we can try to change its spring as well, So we will experience that machine get okay by changing one of them or both. At the first attempt, we will open its shock absorbers, and we will lose its nut to open it. Next, I am showing you the comparison of these shock absorbers that have caused this problem and why they are not working well. See, these are those shock absorbers that I have removed from the machine. So watch how easy it is for me to move them back and forth, and both are the same, almost. Now, if I inspect it from inside, let me zoom the camera in and see. The bushes inside them are broken and damaged, due to which the drum caused vibration. Now we have confirmed that these are faulty shock absorbers. Now let me show you the non-faulty shock absorbers, but how are they good ones? Now, if I press one of them, as I can't press both simultaneously, I will pick one of them and see, you can feel through my hand how difficult it is for me to move it back and forth. This is because I am using a lot of force to move them back and forth. And if I see the second one, it is also the same as I showed you the last one. If the information was beneficial for you and you learned something, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel as well and press the bell notification icon to get the next video notification the first. Now, friends, I have changed both these shock absorbers and see how stronger it has been now than before. Let's test the machine by placing it on its legs. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you that the block of weight made of cement is also installed here at the bottom. This could also cause the problem of drum vibration when it breaks or gets loose. Now, see, I have placed the washing machine back on its legs, and see, when I am pressing the drum, it is getting pushed after when I am using a lot of force on it, and it feels nothing with my 2 fingers push. It means that this machine is okay now.